Reverend Sister Maria Trinitas Oluchi Keke, the Department of Music, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I am a voice teacher or lecturer, if you may want, and I specialize in liturgical music, sacred music, and African music, but in the area of oral tradition. That's folk songs. That's my area of specialization. And my university or my department has really proven to be the best in the country, because all the time we went for national competitions, we've always emerged the best and overall best and first positions. We've been servicing our university in every area. Each time we have any ceremony, the Department of Music has always been servicing the university perfectly well. And the environment, I mean the areas around and even beyond, we've always been known for that. And we are working together as a department, and by the grace of God, our students are also making waves all over the country and outside. Those who play different instruments and those who also sing, they've always been very, very significant wherever they are. And those who go for youth service also prove that they are coming from the best department of music. So I'm really glad that you people have come to see us and interact with us, and we hope that from here we are going to move higher and higher, and that the collaboration will also become better every day, so that the world will hear us. Thank you very much.